Tired of complicated international money transfers? Today, we're unlocking a super easy way to send money directly to Bkash accounts in Bangladesh using Worldremit. First things first, head over to Worldremit's website or open the app and sign in. You'll begin by entering the recipient's details. This includes their full name, address, and, most importantly, their Bkash mobile number. Double-check everything to avoid any delays. Now, choose Bangladesh as the country you're sending to. Then, under Delivery Options, scroll down and select Bkash. This is key to ensure the money lands directly into their mobile wallet. Next, specify the amount you want to send. Worldremit will clearly show you the exchange rate and any applicable fees right then and there. Before you finalize the transaction, Worldremit will guide you through a security verification process. This might involve entering a code sent to your phone or email, ensuring your transfer is secure. Once verified, review all the transaction details one last time. If everything looks good, confirm the transfer. You'll then see a confirmation screen with the transaction reference number and an estimated time for the funds to arrive in the recipient's Bkash account. And that's it. Sending money to Bkash with Worldremit is fast, secure, and incredibly convenient, making life easier for both you and your loved ones in Bangladesh. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.